Finding specific terms of a sequence given the nth term. Examples. Given the nth term of a sequence, u subscript n equals to 5n plus 2. Calculate the fifth term and 11th term of the sequence. Solution. Now we're given the nth term, which is u subscript n equals to 5n plus 2. Now we want to find the fifth term of the sequence. For us to find the fifth term of the sequence, that's going to be u5, that is u subscript 5. And what does that mean? It means where n equals to 5. Where n equals to 5. So we can also write here first that when n equals to 5, then u5 is going to be what? 5 into 5 plus 2. Anyway, we see n here, we put 5. And this will be equals to what? 5 times 5, that is what? 25. Then 25 plus 2. And this will give us 27. So it means that the fifth term equals to 27. That is u5. Now we also asked to find the 11th term. That means we have when n equals to 11. Then using same formula here, then u11 will be equals to what? Anywhere we see n, we put 11. Then 5 into what? 11 plus 2. 5 times 11 is 55. Then plus 2. This will give us what? We have the answer to be equals to 57. So it means that the 11th term equals to 57. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.